Hey there. Have you ever wondered if the man beside you truly loves you from the heart, or if his feelings are merely physical attraction? Perhaps you've spent years together, maybe even decades, but deep down, you still question whether his love is real. Does he love you for who you are, or is it just convenience, habit, or something else? This question lingers in the minds of many women, especially those over 55. You've navigated life's ups and downs, and now you crave something genuine and meaningful. We understand because we've heard this question countless times from women in long-term relationships. In today's video, we'll guide you through 9 undeniable signs that a man truly loves you from his heart. If you've ever had doubts, stay with me until the end. You might be surprised by what you learn. Many believe that men aren't expressive when it comes to love. They assume men show affection only through actions, not words. This belief often leads to confusion, especially in long-term relationships. Women frequently wonder, if he doesn't say, "I love you" often, does he really love me? Why does he sometimes seem distant or distracted? Is he with me because he loves me, or just because it's comfortable and familiar? These doubts are understandable, especially after years or even decades together. We've spoken to many women in their 50s, 60s, and beyond who feel this way. They share similar experiences. One woman, let's call her Linda, told us, "I've been with my husband for 35 years. He's always been a good man, responsible and reliable. But sometimes I wonder if he truly loves me. We don't have deep conversations anymore. He doesn't say sweet things. He shows affection in small ways, but I can't help but wonder if he still feels the same way about me as he did when we were younger." Linda's story isn't unique. Many women in long-term relationships feel uncertain about their partner's true feelings. It's not just about older relationships, even women in newer ones worry about the same thing. Does he genuinely care, or is it just temporary? This uncertainty can create anxiety and emotional disconnection, even if you're physically together. But here's the truth, love isn't just words or actions, it's a combination of both. A man who truly loves you may not say, "I love you" every day, but he'll show his love in undeniable ways that go beyond physical attraction or routine. Once you recognize these signs, your doubts will disappear. You'll see clearly whether his love is real. So, let's dive into the 9 unmistakable signs that a man truly loves you from his heart. If he does these things, you can be sure his love for you is deep and sincere. Sign 1, he expresses love through kissing. Kissing is often seen as a simple act of affection, but it carries deep emotional meaning. A man who truly loves you doesn't kiss you out of habit or routine. His kisses are full of care, warmth, and sincerity. Consider this, when he kisses you, does it feel rushed, or does he take his time, savoring the moment? A loving man will kiss you not just when he wants intimacy but at random moments, while cooking together, sitting quietly, or even passing by each other at home. These small gestures mean a lot, they show he's emotionally connected to you, not just physically attracted. Sign 2, his eyes will tell you everything. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, and that's absolutely true in love. A man who truly loves you will look at you differently. His eyes will reflect warmth, admiration, and deep connection. Does he hold his gaze when he looks at you, or does he glance away quickly? A man in love maintains eye contact not just during serious conversations but even in simple, everyday moments. For example, when you talk to him, does he look at you with interest? In a crowded room, does he glance at you just to check in? When you share a quiet moment, does he hold your gaze as if words aren't even necessary? Eye contact is a silent way of saying, "I see you, I appreciate you, I love you." Sign 3, he values his time with you. In a fast-paced world, time is one of the most valuable things a person can give. A man who truly loves you doesn't rush through his moments with you, he savors them. Think about how he acts when he's with you. Does he seem distracted, always checking his phone or watching the clock, or does he slow down, making sure you feel heard, seen, and appreciated? His love is patient. A man who loves you won't make you feel like just another task on his schedule. Even when life is busy, he will make time for you, not just for date nights or special occasions but in simple, everyday ways. He enjoys sitting with you, listening to your thoughts, and simply being in your presence. Sign 4, he's not afraid to show vulnerability. For many men, showing emotions isn't easy. Society often teaches them to be strong and hide their feelings. But when a man truly loves you, he will trust you enough to let down his guard. He will share his fears, the things that make him anxious or uncertain, his failures, the mistakes he's made in life, and his dreams and hopes for the future, including how he sees you in it. This kind of openness is rare. Many men would rather keep their emotions hidden than risk looking weak. But when he truly loves you, he won't be afraid to be vulnerable because he knows you won't judge him. Instead, he trusts that you will understand him. This is a major sign of deep emotional connection. Sign 5, he is fully present when he's with you. In today's world, distractions are everywhere: phones, work, TV, and endless notifications. But when a man truly loves you, he puts all of that aside when he's with you. He doesn't just sit next to you while scrolling through his phone or answer calls in the middle of a conversation with you. Instead, he is fully present. Think about your time together. Does he give you his full attention when you speak? Does he listen not just to respond but to truly understand what you're saying? Do you feel like he values your presence, or do you feel like an afterthought? A man who prioritizes your time together is a man who genuinely cares. This doesn't mean he needs to be around you 24/7, but when he is with you, he makes sure you feel seen, heard, and important. If he puts effort into meaningful conversations, remembers the little things you say, and makes you feel valued, this is a strong sign of deep love. Sign 6, his approach to intimacy. Intimacy is more than just physical. Physical attraction can bring two people together, but real love goes beyond that. A man who truly loves you doesn't just seek physical intimacy, he seeks emotional connection. Ask yourself, does he only show affection when he wants something in return, or does he express love through small, everyday gestures? True intimacy is when he holds your hand just because, hugs you after a long day, or touches your face gently with care. These gestures show that he enjoys being close to you, not just for physical pleasure but because he truly cherishes being with you. A man who only wants you physically won't put effort into these things, but a man who loves you from the heart will find 1,000 little ways to express his love outside the bedroom. Real love is about feeling emotionally safe, valued, and connected. Sign 7, he engages in deep emotional conversations. A man who truly loves you will want to know you on every level, not just physically but emotionally and mentally as well. This means he engages in meaningful conversations with you. Think about your conversations with him. Does he ask about your feelings, dreams, and fears? Does he remember things you tell him and bring them up later? Does he open up about his own emotions rather than keeping everything inside? Real love is built on emotional connection, and connection happens through communication. If your partner only talks about surface-level things like work, bills, or the weather but never about how you truly feel, then something is missing. But if he talks with you about life, love, the future, and even difficult topics, it's a sign that he sees you as his true partner. Sign 8, he doesn't pretend to be perfect around you. Many men feel the need to appear strong, confident, and in control all the time. But when a man truly loves you, he doesn't need to pretend to be perfect. He feels safe enough to show you his flaws, struggles, and even his insecurities. Ask yourself, does he admit when he's wrong? Does he let you see him when he's stressed, tired, or feeling low? Does he trust you enough to be himself without fear of judgment? A man who truly loves you will let you in rather than keeping a wall up. He knows that love isn't about being perfect, it's about being real. If he lets you see his true self, the good and the bad, it means he trusts you completely. And trust is the foundation of deep, lasting love. Sign 9, he pays attention to the small details. Love isn't just about big moments, it's about the little things that happen every day. A man who truly loves you will notice and remember the small details about you. For example, he remembers how you like your coffee, notices when you're feeling down even if you don't say anything, and remembers little stories you told weeks or months ago. These things might seem small, but they are huge signs of love. A man who doesn't truly care will forget these things easily, but a man who loves you from the heart will pay attention even to the tiniest details because you matter to him. Real love isn't just about grand romantic gestures, it's about showing up every day in small ways without expecting anything in return. If your partner listens to you, remembers the little things, and truly sees you for who you are, then you can be sure his love is deep and real. Now that we've explored 9 powerful signs that show when a man truly loves you, not just physically but from the heart, let's wrap up everything we've discussed. If your partner shows these signs, maybe he expresses some of them but not all, that's okay. Love is a journey, and relationships grow over time. If your man does many of these things, then you are truly cherished, even if he doesn't say, "I love you," every day. His actions speak louder than words. But if you feel like something is missing, don't lose hope. Sometimes, men express love in ways that we don't immediately recognize. Communication is key. If you want more emotional depth in your relationship, start with an honest conversation. Share your thoughts, needs, and desires. Love grows stronger when both people understand each other better. And if you're still searching for this kind of love, don't settle for less than what you deserve. The right person will show you love not just through words but through actions that make you feel truly valued. Now, we have a question for you. Have you ever experienced these signs in your own relationship? We would love to hear your thoughts. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's support and learn from each other. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, it helps us reach more people who need to hear this message. Share it with a friend who might need to hear this today. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss our future videos on love, relationships, and life advice. Thank you for watching, and remember, real love is not just about finding the right person but also about becoming the right partner. See you in the next video.